I'm Danielle, and welcome to this enchanted house. Today we're going to have something a little different, an unboxing video. If you follow this channel a little bit, or if you follow me on Instagram, or Facebook and Twitter, you will know that I am super into dollhouse miniatures. Like, super into dollhouse miniatures. And, so I'm always on the lookout for new and interesting miniatures. On that same note, you also might catch on that I am a fan of some Japanese things like anime and such, which has led me to be introduced to what's called Re-ment. Re-ment is a series of little miniature figure packages that that are sold in Japan. They're not quite the same scale as my dollhouses that usually are in 1/12 scale. I believe they're in 1/24 scale. But I've always been kind of fascinated by them, but they're, I never felt really the need to get any until now. So Re-ment came out with this set called Witch's House, and I'll pull that up there too so you can see hopefully. But yeah, so Witch's House, and there's all these are the different sets here. I'm going to actually maybe put a picture on the screen instead. We'll see which came out better. But there's all these different sets. So, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have these. So these are a blind box, which means I don't know which set is in the box. So I didn't just get one. I got 4. So I got 4, which means hopefully, if I'm really lucky, I will get 4 sets. But because they're a blind box, it is possible I am going to get 4 of one set. So we'll go ahead and open these and see. I'm really hopeful I get 4. Looking at the sets, I knew I would like any of them. So yeah. All right, so let's open these up and see what I got. Okay, let's start off box number 1. My god, I'm so excited. Actually, I'm trying to save the box, so we're going to grab a pair of scissors here really quick. Thankfully, I had these right by here. I'm going to kind of cut the tape. Let's see here. What do we got? I don't know. I don't know why I'm saving the boxes. I just like, I have a thing for boxes. I don't know. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my goodness. So the first one I got looks like is this this set here. It says it's what will be made up. It looks like it's a little cauldron and fire and wand and potion jar. Oh, and then this is on the little inside, and there's like a little thing of crystals. There's like these little posters. Oh my god, there's these little posters. There's one with crystals and one with like potions. So you can cut those out, and let's see here. So there's a little fireplace. Little fireplace. Oh my gosh. See here. I'm glad I'm glad I have scissors. Okay. Yeah. Just happen to have these for something else, but I don't want to cut that. Okay, maybe cut that. Okay, here. So save that. Put the scissors over here. Okay, so there's a little cauldron. And then there's a little insert, which is the potions. There's a little fire, and I think that's supposed to go in here. And then you put the cauldron on top of it. Oh my god, this little... it has a little cap. There's a little potion bottle. It has a little crystal... I think it's got, look, yeah, it's got like a little... I don't know if you can see that really good in that, but that's got a little potion bottle. Then it has... I'm not sure if you are a Re-ment person, because this is my first Re-ment set, what this is about. I'm going to save it with the little thing for now. Okay, and then the last thing is this cute little witch's staff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah, I love it so much. What do you guys think? I guess ready. Let's try it. Let's open up the next set and see what we get. Next box. Let's see here. Okay. So excited. What do we got? Oh, it's definitely a different set. Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, here. It's this one. It says it's the spell book says, and it looks like it's a little more potion kit thing. And then that's the inside, and once again it's got the little posters. Oh, I love this little like arcane chart, and it's like little herb plants. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh my goodness, it's got some tiny bits to it that I see here. Okay, here. So let's start this end. So this looks like a little grindy wheel or mortar and pestle, like they have the ones where you put the wheel in it. So there's that. Like that. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. So really delicate stuff here. So there's a little spell book. It's got this, even the cover's kind of neat in the back here. And then I've got a little bundle of herbs here. But then there's like just this little, oh so delicate, I don't know if I can get this, let's see. This little delicate lavender stalk in there. Put that in the book so nothing happens to it. What's next? Kind of got this little leaf bowl thing. I know this is... And got... There's a little potion bottle. Alright, next bits kind of go together, look like. So, oh, there's this little test tube rack with little test tubes that we can put in there. Actually, oh, you know what? The little lavender stalk is supposed to go in one of these. And then, so in the next thing, oh my goodness. Alright, so I don't even know if I can get this on camera, but this little tiny green thing is the stopper for this potion bottle. It just, oh my goodness. Everything in here is so tiny and delicate. I'm going to say that a lot probably, but... So that potion bottle. Then there's this little blue bits that's supposed to go in one of these. Now... in the picture on here, there is something like this last one that's brown. It looks like it's filling it. I wonder if it's supposed to be like this. You're supposed to cut this out and roll it up and put it in there like a scroll. But anyways, go ahead and finish this off by putting in these little stoppers. Oh my goodness. So that is, let's see, so these just all kind of, these are like put on a table or something, but oh my goodness, it's a little potions kit. Next up, oh god, I'm like nervous now because I'm just like afraid I'm going to get a repeat now, like, let's see what we got here. Okay, picture of the top of the box, the little owl. Guess not. Oh, let's see here. What do we got? So nervous. Is it something different? It is something different. Oh, yay. Oh, goodness. So, got this one. Let's see here. Look at that. So that says secret preparation. Oh, it looks like it's another potion-y thing. Oh my goodness. There's like a little book in this one and little mushroom pictures. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, there's a lot here. So, there's this table. This cute little table. Okay. Oh, sorry. We're going fast as we can here. Actually, some trash over here. Okay, here. Alright, so first is this little stand, little tripod stand. And I'm going to say this wrong, it's an Almbaic. You know me, I'll put it in the word up there that I meant to say. Oh my goodness. There's also this little claw holder. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Let's see. This is a little potion set here, which looks like they got snapped together, but I think it's supposed to go like this. It's this little potion bottle here, which then sets up in here. Oh my goodness. I don't want to drop it on the floor. I've got a little beaker here. And it's got its own little potion that's supposed to go into it, like so. Since this is purple, I think this is supposed to be catching like the drip from that. And then there is, ooh, I think this is, it's supposed to be like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if I can do this. So, there's like, it's like a little lamp, like old-fashioned oil lamp, but it's got a little blue flame though instead of, so that goes here. Oh, you know what this is supposed to go? This is supposed to go, I bet, under here, like it's heating it up. And then finally, oh my goodness, so there's this tiny little glass wand, maybe stir, but we're going to say wand, we'll put it on there. Oh my god! Oh, I love it so much. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, last one. Here's hoping for, you know, no more, not a repeat. Oh god, please don't be a repeat. I don't know. I don't know what my odds are with these things. I've never bought a Re-ment blind box before, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got. Oh, it is something different. Oh god. Oh, there's. What is this? Oh, there's a little table. Oh, I think it's the divination set. Oh my goodness, with the crystal ball and everything. Let's see here. Oh goodness, yeah. So, this last one is called Tell Me About My Future, aptly enough. And let's see, this is the inside. It's got like a little floral mat and some, they're like tarot cards but with flowers, which is kind of cute, I think. Yeah, they're supposed to be like tarot cards with flowers, but oh, this is so cute. I'll take pictures of these maybe and post them. I don't know. I don't read Japanese, so I don't know what the little stories say. If anyone knows where I can find a translation of these, I'd love to read and find out what they actually say. So, but yeah, let's see here. First up, this table got lots of little. Oh, I love this so much. So there's a little table, and let's go ahead. Be very careful. This has got like, I don't want to cut the paper in this one, so be very. Glad I brought scissors. Okay. So let's see here. Let's start with this. This is just a piece. It's a little like fortune telling kind of mat thing. And I'm actually gonna come back this way because I'm gonna grab the crystal ball stand here. I'm gonna just set that on there. Actually, this might have to hang it off the side for now, because then I want to grab the little crystal ball. Like, it's a marble. It's like actual glass. That's kind of nice. Next up, there's a pendulum. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I do pendulum work, and I love pendulums. I think I could really use this. See, like, so this is a pendulum map, and so the pendulum would swing. You'd ask a question, and then swing towards what question you want to answer. So, you know, is today going to be a good day? And I'm going to say it's going to swing towards yes, it's going to be a good day. But we'll put that on there. And then the last little piece is this candle. And so, oh my god, I love all these sets so much. But yeah, let's see here. But, oh yeah. I am so excited for this. So yeah, that was my Re-ment blind box unboxing. I am so excited. These are so cute and I love them. And I always wanted to kind of do a witch themed. I want to do like a wizard's tower, but a witch lives there. Does that make sense? I want a tower. Like, why can't witches have towers? A dollhouse I've had kind of planned in the works, so hopefully I can incorporate some of these in. I know they are not quite, the way that they are, I think that even though they're not quite dollhouse scale, they definitely could work. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm kind of wanting to get more so I can get the rest of the sets now, because like everything is so cute and so detailed, and oh, I'm just so excited. So if you're someone who's into Re-ment, I've always kind of been periphery to it, but I'd love to learn more about Re-ment and Re-ment collections. If you are into dollhouses and miniatures and you've done a witchy dollhouse, I'd love to see what you've done. Or you know, you can leave me a link in the comments below to what you've done. I'd love to hear about what you've done. That was my Re-ment unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please check out some of my other videos. If you like what I do here, please subscribe so you can keep up with the latest and the greatest. I also would love to connect with you guys on social media. There are links to my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter below. I hope you guys have an enchanted day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!